Hello, Professor. My name is Aditi Kapoor, and I'm from Comp 123 Programming 2. So my student ID is 301108498. So today here I'm going to explain my code for the final exam code, which is the character generator code, the program. So let's begin. Here I go on to my program, Visual Studio. Here I open my Visual Studio and let me show you the output first. So here goes my output. Sorry. So here goes my output, and like this is the splash screen form. So this is basically for only 3 seconds. I have modified the timing and the size of this. So here goes the generate name form. I'll here generate the name, like suppose here if I generate names, it will show you here Carol Jones. So first name and last name, generate names, and this will show you the names. These are the name lists. Next, if I move on, so here is the ability generator, like which one, like the first ability or the second ability. So here, like I can choose strength, whatever I want to choose, like if intelligence, and here if I choose like constitution, whatever. So here this will show up you here. Ability, strength, here I can modify it, like same here, intelligence. So here if I want to modify, I can modify. So and next, if I go on next, so if I select the race, if I select have halfling here, then I move on next, then it shows here the first name and last name. So here is the race. So basically the reason is like I'm facing some issues in this part, otherwise otherwise it's fine. So like let me show you one thing again, like if I generate the ability, so it will generate like this. So I hope it's clear, and like show me once again. Next. So here exit. So let me, so this was my output. So now here my goes my so here I'll explain my code. So this is my ability.cs form. Here are the enums like strength, dexterity, constitution, intelligence, wisdom, charisma. And moreover, let's move on to the main program, like main part. Like here I have mentioned all my details, like Aditi Kapoor and whatever, modified date and all. I have given my links to the GitHub, and as well as my video, I'll give it in the Dropbox. So here are the public static class program. So here are the basically these are the properties, and there I move on to the main entry into the application. So this is the main without which the program is not able to work. So here I have instantiated the new objects, which is the new generator form, the ability generator form. Here are the so this is basically what I have done in the why the program runs. This is the reason. This the main application is the reason. So if I further move on to my class diagram, so this is my class diagram, and like ability enum. So here, as I mentioned, strength, dexterity, constitution, intelligence, wisdom, charisma. Here are my character class. So which shows my get and set and the properties, like charisma is the string and get and set. Get and set means you can assign the values also, and as well you can declare. Get means you can declare, set means you can assign the values at any time. So these are all get and set. This is the string. So as far as if we move on further, so I can show you here my the ability generated form as I showed you in my output. So this is the way how I have created my output, the form, the design. So this is basically the ability generated form. So my splash screen, and so here my splash screen form. Here I have uh, created my splash screen, which is for about 3 seconds. I have modified the time and date. And as far as I want to tell you that some of here there are six total out of six, out of which some of were already made, some of were already made files, and some of which I have modified. So like whatever. So here I can show you some like these erase and class form. This is program of .cs. I have already explained generate name forms, as I have generated the names in my output. So here my final form.cs, like this is also done. Class diagram I have also shown. So character.cs, so this is the character.cs form. Like this is what I showed you. Public string strength, these are all the get and set properties. Basically gets, these are all get and set, means you can, I can assign the values as well as I can declare them. So this is about box. So this is about the box, whatever description. Then ability generated forms I already explained. This is the ability.cs, as this is also I have already done. So here was my code for today. So I have explained. Thank you so much, Professor. Thank you. Have a good day.